You want customers to enter the same type of details multiple times on the product page, like attendee details for tickets or t-shirt details for a group order. But you don't want to create the same fields again and again manually. In this video, I'll show you how to create repeatable product options with Repeater field using WowAddons. First, make sure WowAddons is installed and activated on your site. You can install it from the Add Plugins page by simply searching for WowAddons. Alright, now let's create an option from scratch. Give the option a name so you can identify it later. For this tutorial, I'll name it Custom T-Shirt Group Order. Now select the product where you want to display these repeater options. For this tutorial, I'll use a custom t-shirt product. The goal is simple. Customers should be able to order t-shirts for multiple members and add separate details for each one, like the name to print on the back and the t-shirt size. In WowAddons, we'll do this using the section field with Repeater. The section field works like a container. Inside this section, you can add multiple product option fields and keep them grouped together. And when you enable Repeater, customers can repeat that same group of fields multiple times. In our case, we'll create a section called T-shirt Details. Inside this section, we'll add a text field for the member name and a drop-down field for the t-shirt size. So, each repeated section will collect details for one t-shirt. If you don't want to show the section title on the product page, you can hide it. And if you want the section to appear in an accordion style layout, you can enable the accordion style option. Now let's enable the repeater option. In the section field settings, you'll see a checkbox named Enable Repeatable Section. Just enable it. After enabling it, you'll see the repeater customization options. Let's go through them one by one. First, choose how customers will add repeated sections. This option is called Repeat Method. In WowAddons, you have two methods. The first one is Add Button, and the second one is Quantity Selector. With the Add Button method, customers need to click a button to repeat the group of fields, and the same fields will keep repeating. With the Quantity Selector method, customers choose how many entries they need using a quantity selector. Based on that quantity, the field group will repeat automatically. So instead of clicking a button multiple times, they can simply select the number of t-shirts they want to customize. Both methods are for the same purpose. They just work a little differently. For this tutorial, we'll continue with the Add Button method because it is the most common and easy to understand. Next, we need to set the Repeat label. The Repeat label controls the title of each repeated section. For our custom t-shirt example, we can write T-shirt N. Now, you may wonder why I used N here. This dynamic tag is used to auto-number each repeated section. So if we write T-shirt N, it will show T-shirt 1, T-shirt 2, T-shirt 3. This makes the repeated sections easier to follow for customers. Now, you can set a price for the container if needed. But for this example, we'll keep it at no cost, so only the original product price is calculated in the total. Since we selected the Add Button method, we can also set the button label. This is the text customers will see on the button. For our custom t-shirt example, we can use Add Another T-shirt. You can also use labels like Add T-shirt, Add Member, Add Another. But try to keep the button label simple and specific so customers instantly understand what the button does. Now, if you are thinking about limiting the number of repeats, we have an option for that too. This option is called Maximum Repeats. It controls how many times customers can repeat the section. For example, if you set the maximum repeats to 3, customers can add up to 3 t-shirt detail sections. This is helpful when you want to set a restriction. But if you don't want to set any limit, you can keep it as 0. Now save the option and check the product page. On the product page, customers can now add multiple t-shirt details from the same form. They can fill in T-shirt 1, click Add Another T-shirt, then fill in T-shirt 2, T-shirt 3, and continue as needed. Now, let's say you don't want to show this repeatable t-shirt section all the time. Maybe you only want to show it when the customer enables group order. In that case, you can use conditional logic. First, add a switch field or any selection field for group order. Then, go to the Section Field's Conditional Logic tab and enable it. Select Show because we want to show this section only when the customer selects group order. Now add the condition. Choose the Group Order Switch field, then set the condition to is true. That means this section will only appear when the switch is enabled. After that, hit the Publish or Save button. Before we finish, here are a few quick best practices. Use clear section titles, such as T-shirt details or Member T-shirt details. Use the end tag in the repeat label so each repeated section is numbered automatically. Keep your button label specific. For example, add another t-shirt is clearer than just add. Set a maximum repeat limit if your product has a real limit. And use conditional logic when the repeated section should only appear for certain customer choices. And that's how you can create repeatable product options in WowAddons using the section field with Repeater. If you want to learn more about WowAddons features, check the links in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.